Welcome students. Today we are solving the exercise 3.3. Here question number 1 is give the parallelogram ABCD, complete the statement. Here AD is equal to which side? So this is equal to BC because opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. For second, angle DCB is equal to angle DAC because opposite angles are for parallelogram are equal. And OC is equal to OA because diagonals of parallelogram. And DAB and CDA, these are supplement angle because so they are equal to 180. Okay. Now question second, here some parallelograms are given, find the value of x and y and z. Now question number first is here x, we know that b plus c means sum of b plus c is equal to 180. Now b is 100, so value of x be 80. Again they are supplementary, so put the value of x is equal to, so value of y is equal to 100, and same as they are supplementary, so we can use another sides. So they are equal, opposites angle are equal, and their opposite angle are equal, so x is equal to 80, y is equal to 100, and z is equal to again 80. Now second, in this questions, firstly we can say x plus 50 is equal to 180, so we get value of x is equal to 130. Again angle x and z, again x and z are find, so we got they are 130 because x and z are equal because they are corresponding angle. Okay. And when we are talking about y, so they are again 180, so we can say easily y is equal to 130. Okay. Now third, as the same as above questions, you have to solve. Okay, this is your homework. And question number 4, again solve, same as above questions. Okay. Now next questions, question number 4, no sorry, question number 2. Now fifth part is also here. So here angle y, they are opposite angles, so y is equal to 112. Okay. And again this is 112, and this make a triangle, so we know that the angle of triangle, sum of the all interior angle of triangle be 180, so we are getting the value of x is equal to 28. So here this is 28, so these are also equal. It means x and z are equal because they are alternate angle. Okay. Now question number 3 is, can a quadrilaterals ABCD be a parallelogram if D plus B is equal to 180 and AD and DC equity and AD is equal to 4 and BC is equal to 4.4. यहाँ 3 क्वेश्चन दिए हुए हैं, तो इनके अपन को रीजन देना है. सो हेयर according to question, angle D and B are 180, so it can be, but here it not need to be. हो सकता है लेकिन इसकी ऐसी आवश्यकता नहीं है. ओके, कि 180 ही हो. यहाँ they are obtuse angle. Okay, more than 90, so they are not adding 180. Second, AD and DC are 8 centimeters and AD is 4 centimeter, BC is 4.4, means ये साइड से बड़ी है, so we cannot say because opposite sides are equal in parallelogram, so this is not a parallelogram. Next, A is equal to 70 and B is equal to 70 and C is equal to 65. So this is not equal because opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. This is the property of parallelogram. So all are not possible. Now question number 4. Draw a rough figure quadrilaters that is not a parallelogram but has actually two opposite angles of equal measurements. So we are suppose that we are taking angle A and C are 110 and therefore could be kite. ये किस तरह की हो जाएगी, इस तरह से अपन इसको ड्रॉ कर लेंगे. So ये किस तरह से फिगर हो जाएगा, ये एक काइट की तरह हो जाएगा. ओके. Now exercise question number 5. Two measures of two adjacent angle are 3:2. So let first angle be 3x and second angle be 2x. But we know that the angle sum of the adjacent angle of a parallelogram is supplementary. So it means 3 plus 2 is equal to 180. Now find the value of x for 36. So first angle is 3x means 108 and second angle be 2x. So this will be 72. Okay. Now question number 6. Two adjacent angle of parallelogram are equal. Suppose x plus x. So this is equal to supplementary. We know that 180. Now x value of x is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Now question number 7 is the adjacent figure HOPW. This HOPW. Okay. HOPW. No. This is W. Okay. Find the angle of x by z. Here HOP means O plus 70 is equal to 180. So we get easily this angle. We are getting this angle easily. So this is 110, but this angle is equal to this angle because they are angle of parallelogram. So x is also 110. Okay. Now again angle PHE means this is equal to 40. So y is also 40 because they are alternate angle. And again 40 plus z is equal to 70 because they are corresponding angle. Okay. Now solve for z. So we get the value of z is equal to 30. Therefore we can say that x is equal to 110, y is equal to 40 and z is equal to 30. This is our answer. Now question number 8 is the following figures. So first figure is gun and second figure is runs. Okay. Find the value of x and y in both questions. So here we are saying firstly both are parallelograms. So in guns 3y minus 1 is equal to 26. So we get y from this equation, and again x is equal to 18. So we get x is equal to 6. Okay. Easily we can x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 9. So in parallelogram y plus 3. Okay, this is first solution of first question. Now second, run. Here we can say that easily x plus y is equal to 16 and y plus 7 is equal to 20. So here we can find the value of y from here. So y is equal to 13 because y plus 7 is equal to 20 and 7 less from 20. So we got the value of y is equal to 13. Again in first x plus y is equal to 16. So we know value of y is equal to 13. When we subtract from 16, so x is equal to 3. Okay, this is the value of x and y. Now solution is here. You can see. Next question number 9. In this figure, risk and cube are two parallelograms. Find the value of x. Okay. यहाँ दो parallelograms हैं. एक risk. So risk RISK. This is first parallelogram, and second cube club CLUE. Okay, CLUE club. They are two parallelograms. So find the value of x. Okay. Suppose this is N and this is M and N. Okay, so in parallelogram risk RISK, this is 120, so this is also 120. Okay, now RIS is also 120, and let M plus 120 is equal to 180. Okay, because they are linear pair, so we can say M is equal to M will be 60. Okay, M will be 60. Now we are solving. Here we got the value of M is equal to 60, and now angle ECI means this angle. So ECI is equal to angle L because they are corresponding angle. Okay, so this is 70, so angle C is also 70. Okay, so we have angle C is also 70. Here we are finding two angles. I am drawing a rough figure from here. You watch. This is a triangle. Here this is M and this is 70, and let this is N, and find the value of X. So here एक triangle बन रहा है, so we know that the interior sum of interior angle be 180. So we can say easily 60 plus N, because M is equal to 60. So 60 plus N plus 70 is equal to 180. Find the value of N is equal to 50, but N and X are vertical opposites, so value of X is equal to N and N is equal to 50. This is our answer. Okay, now question number 10 is explain how this figure is a trapezium which two sides are parallel. So यहाँ हम देखेंगे M and L, this is the sum of M and L are 180, sum of interior opposite angle is 180. Now we can take NM and KL are parallel because they making a sum equal to 180. So hence we can say KLMN is a trapezium because they are parallel and they are not parallel. ट्रिपेजियम की क्वालिटी ये होती है, इसकी अपोजिट साइड्स, दो साइड इसकी इक्वल होती हैं और दो साइड इसकी अनइक्वल होती हैं. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, फाइंड एंगल सी इन फिगर and if AB parallel CD. So here B plus C is equal to 180. B plus C is equal to 180 because ये दोनों कैसे हैं, पैरेलल हैं. ओके, ये इस तरह का एंगल है, तो ये और ये कितना हो जाएगा 180 बिकॉज ए बी एंड सी डी आर पैरेलल. नाउ बी इज 120, सो वी कैन इजीली फाइंड एंगल सी इक्वल टू 60. Now question number 12, this is the last questions. So here find the measure of P and S. Okay, if SP parallel to RQ. Okay, so here angle P and angle Q is equal to 180, so we can easily find the value of P is equal to 50. Okay, now sum of quadrilateral be 360, so we can adding angle PQRS, otherwise we are using the another. Here angle R is equal to 90. Okay, so we are adding the all angles. Angle PQRS is equal to 360 because sum of quadrilateral, क्वाड्रिलेटर्स के इंटीरियर सभी एंगल्स का सम 360 होता है. Now we have S, R, Q, not P. Sorry, we have putting the value of S. Sorry, we are not having S. We have P, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R plus angle S is equal to 360. Okay, now solve for S. So we got the value of S is 90. No, here value of P is equal to 50 degree. Sorry, this is also 50. This is not a, this is our answer. This is angle S is equal to 50 degree. Okay, your exercise will be finished. Next exercise will be coming soon. You have to solve and write down your fears copies, and after that you have to submit your schools and check for me. Thank you.